Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placement. So, this is your love reading ngayong December, okay? So, yeah, for singles and the person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, you can message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, and yes, if you want to try na magpa-reading sa aking friend, ito yung kanya pong FB page. Okay, so reach out lang kayo dito sa kanyang FB page. And yes, don't forget to follow na rin, no? And yes, regarding sa ating bracelet, so yeah, always available, okay? So, in red and black, so the all-in-one evil eye bracelet. So, kung may tanong po, no, message na lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page, okay? Sa FB page po ha, yun po yung Fias Tarot, doon lang po kayo magme-message. Kasi kapag sa comment section, hindi ko kayo makikita lahat-lahat doon. Yeah, kung mare-replyan ko kayo, edi okay. Pero kung hindi, well, reach out na lang po, no, sa FB page ko. Okay? So, and yes. Ito na yung hinihintay nung iba. The Evil Eye ring. Yes, available na. Pero, naubos agad si first batch. Okay? Ubos agad si first batch. So, yes, meron tayong second batch next week. So, tingnan natin kung kung magiging okay, no? So, yeah, magsasabi lang din po ako ulit kapag po andito na again yung item. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start. Singles. Okay, single Sagittarius. Okay, so ano bang meron for you? What's coming? Who's coming? Pagdating sa mga single Sagittarius dyan, no? Syempre, yung boses natin hindi pa rin po ganong okay, pero yeah, pwede na. Pwede na, okay. So, anong meron? Sino tong paparating sa inyo? Single Sag. Mature man, okay. So, pwedeng mature man, mature woman, anyone. So, ang nakikita ko sa taong to, they're mature. Okay, they're mature. What else? True gem. Okay. True gem. So, I think, sabihin natin itong taong ito is, sabihin nating magiging tapat, magiging totoo. Okay? Magiging genuine pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, well, sabihin natin kasi they're like mature. They're not into playtime pa, no? So, tingnan natin. Anong magiging intention ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Sag? Sabihin natin magugustuhan mo siya agad. Yes. Anong intention niya towards you? The King of Wands in reverse. And, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay, so sabihin natin itong taong ito, intention niya, sabihin natin sa umpisa. Ha? Sa umpisa, ang connection na mangyayari sa inyo is puro sex. Oo. Puro ganun. Puro sex. I think magsisimula ang connection ninyo, Sag, as F-buddies. I'm sorry. Pero, I don't know. Minsan, normal yun. 'Di ba? Normal yun. Mm. Kahit nga walang label eh, may nangyayari eh. 'Di ba? Eto, pwedeng ganun din. Pero tingnan natin. Ang intention ng taong ito, sa umpisa, is hindi makipagseryosohan. Why? Kasi gustong makita ng taong ito ano ba yung totoo mong personality. Gagalitin ka, iingsing ka, whatsoever. Titingnan niya. Okay? Yeah, a lot of sex. Sag, a lot. Ano ba emosyon niya? Yeah, see, the devil. Excuse me. See, a lot of sex. Emosyon, the devil, the sun in reverse. Pwedeng umikot lang talaga muna sa SEX, no? Passion, itong connection nyo na to. Yeah. Pero, the wheel of fortune is here. Merong something na may mangyayari in the near future. Okay? May changes na mangyayari dito. Okay? Tingnan natin. Anong next action ng taong to sa'yo? The Knight of Swords and the Six of Swords. Ooh! See? I told you. Yeah. The emotion. Oo. Sabi ko sa inyo, una muna is puro ganun. Hanggang sa ma-develop na yung emosyon. Hindi aasahan ng taong to na mafo-fall siya sa'yo. Okay? Maybe, vice versa. This is nice. This is nice. Yes. Hindi mo akalain na itong taong to is pwede palang maging seryoso sa'yo in the end. Actually. Okay? Yeah, this is communication. Hindi ito mawawala. They want you. He or she wants you. Okay? Anong advice for you, Sag? The Queen of Coins Universe, lagi ito as advice. Lagi ito. Kahit sino na zodiac, ito talaga palagi nalabas si Queen of Coins in reverse. Why? This is sabihin nating not being available. Kasi kailangan mo naman talagang gawin yun. No? Yeah, the Two of Coins. Yes. The Magician. I think this is nice. Itong connection na to, kailangan mo lang talagang tingnan, balansehin, bigyan ng respeto, no, kung anong meron. Like, may limitations. Bigyan ng limitations. Okay, itong sitwasyon na to. Ito magiging connection na to. Okay? I don't know. Kung ikaw, kaya mo sa ganoong sitwasyon, yung sex muna, wag ka muna ma-touch emotionally. Okay? Well, yeah, reality yun. Realidad, nangyayari yun. Hindi natin pwede sabihin, yes, diba? Hindi tayo parang magpakabanal-banal dito. Nangyayari yun. So, ang kailangan mong gawin, what? Limitations. Limitations po. Okay? And hindi maging available palagi. Know your worth. Paminsan-minsan. Hindi palaging 100%, 1000%. All the way. No? All in, all out. Minsan naman, bigyan mo ng kaunting respeto, no? Yung sarili mo para irespeto ka rin ng person. Okay? Para hindi yung actually like comfortable na siya sa'yo. Alisin natin yung ganong pakiramdam ng person na yun. Bibigyan pa rin natin sila ng konting thrill. 'Di ba? Oo. Para gustuhin ka pa rin. Yes! Okay, so there. Okay. So, yung new person nyo. Next is the past / current person ng mga Sagittarius. Okay, so anong meron? Anong meron? Situation. Okay. Situation. Okay, so the Page of Cups, the Hermit. Okay, so meron dito nagtatago ng totoong emosyon. May nagtatago ng mga salita, mga gustong i-express, like that. Some of you, pwedeng workmate mo to. Nakita ko dito ng crush. Oo, may nagkakagusto, may nagkaka-crush. Pwedeng crush mo to, pwedeng crush ka niya. Okay? So, yeah, simple as ganun. Oo. So, ano bang emosyon? Kasi hindi niya totally na-express. The Hermit is here. The Hermit is here. Some of you, hindi ito consistent pagdating sa komunikasyon. Okay? Lumubog lumitaw itong taong to. Okay? So, ano ba emosyon niya talaga? Pwedeng Virgo. The 8 of Cups. The 5 of Cups. Yes. See? Emosyon, puro cups. So, they're in their emotions. Some of them, talagang dumidistansya. Okay? I don't know why. The 5 of Cups is here. Some of them, they're sad. They're sad. Every time, I guess, na hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng connection or communication whatsoever, kung hindi man kayo magka-connect nga or magkausap ngayon, they're sad. They're regretting. I don't know kung ano. They're in their emotions right now. Okay? Yeah. See? They're being silent. Some of them, nag-obsess pagdating sa inyo. Iniisip kayo palagi. Umaga, gabi. Tanghali, hapon. Madaling araw. Yes! Okay? Ano bang dahilan? Bakit? Bakit ganito ang inyong sitwasyon? Naku, pag kinuha ko yung sitwasyon, pag kinuha ko kung bakit, naku, magiging specific na to. Kaya wag na lang. Wag na lang. Okay. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano ba ang next action nitong taong to pagdating sa'yo? The Emperor in reverse and the Sun in reverse. Ego. Some of them, ego ang nagpipigil sa kanila na gumawa ng action. Sadness, uncertainty, confusion, walang plano. Yan. Okay? Yan, the Two of Wands in reverse is here. And the 8 of Coins is here in reverse. So, there's no plan, no actions at all. I'm sorry. Nakayaan lang nila to. Okay, hang on. Okay. So, anong advice? Anong advice for you para dito sa past / current person mo? Ano ang advice? Umiiyak palagi itong taong to. Dear sad. Umiiyak to palagi. Marami siyang napapagtanto, ganyan. Anong advice? Judgment in reverse, the Knight of Swords. Ooh, this person wants you. Yeah, but yeah, they're holding back. Kung nakagawa to ng kasalanan sa'yo, third party or what, nag-cheat sa'yo whatsoever, wala silang mukhang maiharap. Sag, wala silang mukhang maiharap. Andun yung hiya. But yeah, this person still wants you, still loves you. Okay? Andun na nga lang yung parang, okay, wala akong maiharap sa'yo. Wala akong mukhang ihaharap sa'yo. Andun yung hiya eh. Ang advice dito is makipag-usap ka. Ikaw ang makipag-usap. Kahit na sila yung gumawa ng mali. Yes. Pero, hindi ko sinabing makipaglandian ka. Ha? Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Ang sinasabi rito is, this is like a closure. This is a closure. Kung sa inyo, para sa inyo, no, mas okay na end. May nag-end dito. Okay? Kung sa tingin ninyo, mas makakabuting hindi makipag-usap or hindi na ituloy ang dapat ituloy, sabihin nyo na lang din. Kasi some of them, they're expecting eh. They're expecting. Bigyan mo ng kalinawan to kasi siya nalalabuan. Communication lang to. Pero judgment in reverse. Hindi pwedeng ibalik, no? Hindi natin dapat ibabalik lahat ng mga nangyari sa past dahil magkakagulo lang. Kung kaya mong makipag-usap dito nang walang ibabalik or i-brought up, no, na kung anong sitwasyon na nangyari sa past, kausapin mo. Pero kung hindi mo kaya, huwag na. Kasi gulo lang to. Drama lang to. Ngulngulan lang to. Okay? So, magkakaiyakan lang kayo nito, magkakasakitan lang kayo nito, then, huwag na lang. Okay? Alam niya na may kasalanan siya. Yes. Kung ito siguro nangyari once lang, I guess, pwede mo itong kausapin. Pero, kung maraming beses na, refrain. Stop na. Stop the communication. Okay? Hayaan mo na lang siya. Maguluhan man siya, whatsoever. Just don't give an F. Okay? Yeah, ganun lang. So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay. For Sagittarius. Aries through Pisces. Yeah. Okay, Aries. Irresponsible. Taurus. Changes. Okay. End of a cycle. Gemini. So, pwedeng may mga malalaman ka or may mga masasagot itong Gemini na to. Or meron siyang mga gustong malaman sa'yo. Cancer. Distancing. Walking away. Letting you go. Mga ganyan. Letting go. Oo. Leo, they still want you. They want you. They're focused pagdating sa'yo. Virgo, they're avoiding you. Avoiding the situation. Avoiding in general. Libra, they can't let go. They can't move on. Scorpio, a decision. Okay? Na hindi magbigay ng offer. Another chance like that. Sagittarius, they're coming back. Capricorn, they're dropping you. Aquarius, they're waiting for you. Pisces, yeah, they're still invested and yeah, still waiting pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Sagittarius placement. So, thank you. Bye!